Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. You're looking at our okra. Dude, we take our okra very, very seriously. We already picked it like 3 big okras off of here. And now we're looking to harvest a lot more. They seem to be doing really good. We expect to do about 150 okra total. I expect a lot more, but this is what we've been able to count so far. And they look great. They look great. The potential of producing more okra is even better. They do. Look really, really great. Look at that. See, that's ready to harvest right there. I think I'm going to harvest that one. Looks really, really good. And I also see that there's some aphids building up inside of here. And so I want to clean that off early in the ball game. But look at these stalks. Those stalks are beautiful. They're strong. They're thick. There's some beautiful thick stalks. Yeah, and we're seeing signs of all the okra developing and growing in the same similar way in multiple plants. So yeah, we'll have a great harvest. And the leaves look great. They're beautiful. They're getting a lot of light. What I did was I separated them from each other. They were closer together in proximity. When I separated them, they get more air going through, get some carbon inside of them, and to do great things with these plants right here. And so this is so great. They are absolutely stunning and they're beautiful. I really like my plants. My okra plants are very amazing. Under the canopy looks great. Man, that looks really, really great. I like looking underneath the canopy because you really tell how good a plant does by looking underneath the canopy, you know? You can tell what it looks like, what's growing, what's going on. And so that's why I love this canopy right here, because it shows so much. And from the bottom all the way to the top. There's a lot of potential. Okay. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. The purpose is to get you guys to see how beautiful your food is. Your food is very beautiful. It is so beautiful. And you have to get used to eating beautiful food so that you can be beautiful. And the fantastic things about you can come out. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.